160 shootings, incidents reported in the Bahamas, which resulted in 197 victims. It should be noted that there were few incidences that involved multiple victims. In 2013, we arrested 1,251 persons for drug offenses, and of this amount, 1,034 persons were charged before the courts. This represented 762 drug cases sent to the criminal courts by the Drug Enforcement Unit in 2013. 1,132.82 pounds of cocaine, 17,597.76 pounds of marijuana, and 20,746 marijuana plants seized in the Commonwealth of the Bahamas in 2013. During 2013, a total of 60 suspicious transaction reports were received for investigations. 17 new proceeds of crime, that is cash seizures, were investigated, with a total cash value of $1,860,437. 8 proceeds of crime, cash seizures again, were placed before the courts, which totaled $710,485. A total of $1,326,979 were forfeited to the Crown by the courts. This amount represented proceeds of crime and attempted exploitation of cash assets or cash cases. There were a total of 11 off-back operations for the year 2013, which resulted in the following drugs being seized: 680 pounds of cocaine, 5,217.51 pounds of marijuana, and 35,000 marijuana plants. During these operations, a total of 45 persons were arrested. In 2013, 285 official complaints were made by members of the public against police officers, which represented a 19% increase over the complaints made in 2012, which numbered 240. The largest number of complaints made is allegations of assault by police officers, followed by allegations of unethical behavior. Police officers were involved in 17 shootings, which resulted in 6 fatalities in 2013. 4 in New Providence, 1 in Grand Bahama, and 1 in Abaco. All fatal shootings, I repeat, all fatal shootings have been referred to the coroner's court. I have provided also for you, members of the press, traffic statistics, and I'm going to be providing those packages to you momentarily. I wish to point out, however, a very important observation. Traffic officers and police officers issued 25,138 fixed penalty notices in 2013. Of that amount, in excess of 18,000, more specifically 18,100 of those notices are before the courts. If you were to add a dollar value to that figure I just gave you of 18,100, and you can quite easily use a figure of $160 as an average. It's obvious to note the revenue stream from traffic infractions in just that one category. That concludes, members of the press, what I wish to say to you regarding statistics for the year review. I've provided for you each a package, and I will also send you electronically, in the interest of time, everything that I've just read, and also everything that's in the package. So you will have hard copies, and you will also have the electronic versions. I would now like to present to you and to the public the policing plan. That is my policing plan. It's referred to as the Commissioner's Policing Plan in law. But it's a policing plan of the Royal Bahamas Police Force for the year 2014. This plan sets out 7 strategic priorities which will guide the work of officers for the calendar year 2014. The priorities of the Royal Bahamas Police Force for 2014 are: 1, the prevention and detection of crime, and specifically that is going to speak to the business of reducing crime. Reducing the fear of crime is priority number 2. Restoring and maintaining public trust and confidence is priority number 3. The safety and security of the public is priority number 4. Working with young people, that is focusing on our young people,